Holy schnackaroolies, we're down at Brighton Beach. I'm guessing 40 miles an hour wind, pretty strong. Take a look at this. Holy schnuckers, I got the wrong hat on again. Was gonna wear the gator hat with the big earmuffs. Now look where we are. So here we are at Brighton Beach. I got Annie and Duluth with me. Say hi, Annie.
Hi, everybody.
And Hobson's with us too. Hey, Hobson. Yeah. We're in a lull behind a windbreak of trees, but we're about to go back out in it. 60-mile-an-hour winds, incredible waves. It's life on the North Shore, baby. Oh yeah, here we are on the rocky knoll. This is not the calm before the storm. Wow. Look at this place. Okay, that's not very exciting, but let me tell you, it has been getting exciting. Woo-hoo-hoo! Holy buckets, there's some ice floes out there. I can see why the surfers aren't out, don't you know? Yeah, man! That's a good one, eh? Okay, my fingers are frozen now. We'll be heading home. Thanks for joining us on the North Shore, Annie and Duluth, and the grumpy old bugger.